If you have registered with Wise Group, you're eligible for the free gift and the water coffee coupon. Hello everyone, this is Osama Al-Rifai from Wise Fairs, and today we are bringing you the EU Factory Trade Expo. In this event, we're bringing you more than 100,000 products, more than 1,300 suppliers, 1,200 foreign buyers, maybe 5,000 Chinese buyers. And if you've registered in the match meeting event during this fair because you're looking for a certain supplier in a certain field, we will match you up with the good suppliers. If you're doing e-commerce, if you're doing automobiles, if you're doing hardware, you just need to go to the red zone in E1 Hall and you will find us there at 1:30 p.m. on the 6th of December and the 7th of December. And this is the coupon you will receive at the front desk. In the front of the coupon, you'll find the description. At the back side, you will find the map for all the steps you need to do to get your water, your coffee, and your gift. You need to stamp the coupon so you can get the gift.